Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be trying on and giving you my honest opinion on Molly Mae's collection with Pretty Little Thing. I personally was really excited for this collection because I loved her style when she was in Love Island. I thought she killed it every single night, what she wore. You can tell that she puts like a lot of time and effort into the way she dresses and presents herself. So I was really excited for this collection. And also she's blonde and quite tan, so I thought the colour schemes that she's going to pick would probably suit me. Here is my parcel. I got £1 next day delivery, I think. Probably going to see that I kind of just picked the same colours. It's just white, nude and khaki. To be honest, most of her collection were those kind of colours. There was literally black, white, khaki and nude, which I like. It suits me. I feel like it suits a lot of people. They're pretty universal colours. So yeah, there's a bit of a trend. So I got this white little kind of crop top. The reason why I got it is because I absolutely love the sleeves, as you can tell by what I'm already wearing. I just love the sleeves. I think it adds so much shape to you. I went for a size 8. Now I'm normally maybe an 8 or a 10 in tops, but a Pretty Little Thing, obviously they do run up big, so I went for an 8. I wasn't sure whether I should go for a 6 and I was like, maybe it's a bit ambitious. Looking at it now, I think it's going to fit, but we'll see when I try it on. I do like it. The fabric is quite nice. It's better than I thought it would be. It's quite a thick material and like I said, I love the sleeves, so I'm excited to wear this. I feel like this would go with a lot of stuff. It could go with a little bodycon skirt, it could go with nice skinny jeans. It depends if you want to wear it day or night. Is the top on, and I have to say I absolutely love it. It fits perfectly and I was very worried about the sizing, so I'm really happy about that. I love the sleeves and I kind of think I would just wear it with jeans, maybe kind of dressy trainers, or you could wear it with heels and make it a little bit more like an evening thing. I'm really happy about it. I probably won't wear this colour bra because it's a tiny bit see-through, but that's kind of what you would expect with this material. But it's a really nice fit. It seems like it's quite good quality. It's very fitted. So yeah, this top, I don't have anything like this, but I really liked it when I saw it. And I was umming and ahhing. I was like, I don't know if I want to get it or not, but I just thought I'd give it a try. I want to send it back. So it's kind of this corset top. I can already see there's a little stain on it, which I'm wondering how, because I was probably I got them as soon as they come out and my delivery literally came next day. Again, it's long sleeve. I really like long sleeve tops, and obviously it comes in the waist as it's a corset, so I really like that because I think it's going to add a lot of shape. This is what the top looks like on. I really like how it looks from the back and side. The front I'm not 100% sold on, but I do kind of like it, so I think I will keep it. I do like how it comes in at the waist. It's really flattering and it kind of does look exactly like it looks on the website, which is always good. Sometimes order stuff and I try it on and like it looks nothing like the website, and I don't know if that's because of me or just because of the poor like quality of the material and how they've made it. But this looks exactly like it does on the website. This like deal here is a little bit temperamental. I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna wear this. Like I don't know if I might just cut it off and like tie it really tight, and so it's just literally the lace and then nothing. But it kind of looks pretty, like the white kind of hanging down on the denim, like the contrast of it, so I don't know. You can kind of adjust the top as well, so if you wanted a little bit more cleavage out, or you want it to be very conservative, you can adjust that, because basically it's not one material underneath, it's like two sides. It's almost like a jacket, it's like two sides, and you just like layer them over each other and like fold it over. You couldn't wear it undone obviously unless you took the lacing out, and I don't see why you would. I did have to roll the sleeves up. Now I can't remember off the top of my head if the sleeves are rolled up on the website, but I certainly had to roll mine up because they were quite long. But I kind of like how that looks, so I'm not mad about it. But yeah, it's a little bit of like a temperamental one, but I think I like it, so I'm probably going to keep it. I think it does look really cute from the side, so I'm definitely going to keep it. The next thing that I got was an oversized khaki silk shirt. My vision with this was kind of to wear like a lacy black bralette underneath, because it is quite a plunge neck, so I don't think you could just wear a normal bra. I feel like you'd see the bra, and normal bras aren't very, you know, they don't look like they're part of your outfit, it just looks like a malfunction. When I bought it, I kind of envisioned like a lacy bralette and then black skinny jeans and nice like strappy heels. I thought that would look quite nice for like a date night or just going to the bar. That was kind of my vision with it. I feel like you could make it more casual and just wear like a vest top underneath. So, oh my god, the shoulder pads. Okay, I really like this top because of shoulder pads. I feel like that's a really nice added bit of structure, will give you a little bit more shape. And as I was saying, I feel like you could just put it on with a vest top and some leggings and like some trainers and just make it more casual. But when I bought it, I envisioned it for like a date night outfit. So fingers crossed it fits, because this was probably my favourite thing that I saw, and that's what made me want to order stuff, and that's what like got me started on my shopping spree. But I really hope that it fits. So this is the oversized khaki satin shirt on. And I actually kind of feel like it could work as a dress, apart from the fact that it like opens a little bit at the bottom, so you probably would have to wear cycling shorts underneath. But you could wear it as a dress. As I said when I unboxed it, it's a little bit plunge, so I kind of visualised it with a lacy bralette. I feel like you could even put like a little plain sort of jersey black bodycon underneath. It just depends how you want to wear it, like what kind of event you're going to, if it's something in the day, in the evening. And I have to say, this is extremely comfortable. Like, I'm very impressed, because sometimes satin can be a little bit scratchy when it's not the most expensive, but this is actually pretty cheap and it is super comfortable, and I think it's really flattering. I think it's a really pretty colour, so I'm very happy with this, and I'll definitely be keeping this one. The next thing that I got isn't something I would usually get, because I'm not really one to wear trousers like that, like suit kind of trousers. But I have a really nice black pair that I like, and I always said I should get more because I think they do a lot for your figure. I really wanted to get another pair. I think they're a little bit different from what I normally wear, and it's kind of pushing me to step out of the box a bit more. And that's kind of what I wanted to do on the shopping spree. I wanted to be a bit more adventurous with my fashion and kind of step out a little bit more. So I got these kind of stone coloured, I guess, little kind of suit trousers. The sizing, again, I really didn't know what to go for. It looks like I've gone for a size 6, which is extremely ambitious of me. But then, I don't know, I mean, they kind of look a little bit big for a size 6. There's no makeup stains on these ones, so that's good. But yeah, we'll see when I try them on. But these are the trousers on, and I absolutely love them. They surprisingly fit really well, which I never have any joy with kind of suit. Any trousers that aren't fitted but still need to look kind of fitted, if that makes sense. Any kind of suit trouser or borderline flare, or you know, those kind of cargo trousers that were going around. None of them fit me properly, so I was very hesitant to buy these because I just didn't think that they would fit. But I actually love the fit. I think they're really flattering. I really like the colour. I think it will go with a lot. I would actually wear a tight top with them. I'd probably wear a little bodysuit actually. I think that would be a bit cuter, and then have a little bit of cleavage, because obviously these cover, you know, everything. So yeah, I'm really happy with them, and they're also super comfortable. Like, they're really soft inside, they're not scratchy, which is always my fear, because obviously they're not the most expensive item, which is good, but the quality actually is really good considering how inexpensive they are. So I'm really happy with this buy. The final thing that I got was an oversized blazer. So as you can see, it's kind of this nude colour. It's extremely creased, it's going to need an iron. It's kind of this nude colour, and Molly Mae wears it with a white crop top and I think maybe black leggings or jeans, I can't remember, which is obviously a really nice way to wear it. That's probably how I'm going to wear it the most. But I kind of had a little vision of, like, if you're wearing like a little white bodycon and your heels, I can never find like a nice jacket to put on the outfit without ruining it, because I have a lot of like leather jackets and bomber jackets, and they're not really right for a night out. Whereas I feel like you could just chuck this on. It's extremely lightweight. I don't think it will take away too much from the outfit because it is nude. So I really hope that this looks nice on. Again, this one has shoulder pads, which I like because it adds a bit of structure, it gives you a bit more shape. I'm looking forward to trying this on. I don't see how it could go wrong. It's a blazer. And I went for size 6. I think the reason that I went for a size 6 is because it's oversized anyway, and given that Pretty Little Thing does tend to come up a little bit big for me personally, with my physique, it comes up a little bit big on me, so I went for a size 6, even though it is oversized, because I feel like if I went for an 8 or a 10, it would just...
Sorry, I didn't realize it was different.
I actually sized down twice, because I feel like because it's oversized, it's going to be like extra big, and I didn't want it to just like cloak me. I wanted it to kind of still be oversized, but a flattering oversized, not just I have no body, I'm just a shopping bag. This is the oversized blazer on. It was exactly what I expected it to be. I don't think it's too oversized, because as I said, I massively sized down, because I knew if I got my size in the oversized, it would come to like my knee. And I didn't want that. I wanted it to fit how it fit on Molly Mae and the model, and then it kind of comes to like mid-thigh, which is, I I think is right. I think that's what they should look like. Personally, I think the shoulder pads add a lot to it, kind of brings it up a little bit, makes it a bit more formal. I would probably wear it with like a tight little white top. Obviously I just have this on, so I'm just wearing it for the sake of the video. But I'd probably wear it with like a little tight one and a little bit of cleavage, because obviously it's very like covered, so I feel like you can then afford to wear something a little bit more revealing underneath. And I do think this would look really cute on a night out with like a little white bodycon and then heels, like chunky brown heels. So I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, although it kind of needs an iron. I'm not sure if you can iron it. Let's have a look. Yes, you can iron it, so I'm definitely going to keep it, give it a little iron, and then probably wear this both on nights out and during the day, because I think it's really versatile. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and a thumbs up if you didn't. Comment down below if you got anything from the Molly Mae collection, or if there's something that you want and what you think about it. Personally, I was really impressed when I first saw it. I know there were mixed reviews, but for me, I thought it was really simple pieces, which I like because they go with everything. I hope she releases some loungewear personally, because that's what I would like to see, but obviously that didn't really fit with her coming out of Love Island. It wouldn't have made too much sense for her to release loungewear. It makes sense for her to release evening wear. I really like the pieces. I was really disappointed that one of my items had makeup on them, because the collection, I got it on the day the collection came out. I got next day delivery and it came within 2 days. So it can't have been an exchange unless it was already on the website and it's been bought before and sent back, which I'm quite disappointed in. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!